In this video, I'm going to share with you some powerful insights from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The book explores what the rich teach their kids about money that the poor and middle class do not. Money is a topic that affects all of us, yet many of us lack the financial education we need to achieve true financial freedom. That's where Rich Dad Poor Dad comes in. So buckle up, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a personal finance book that was written by Robert Kiyosaki and was first published in 1997. The book is based on Kiyosaki's own experiences growing up with two father figures, one whom he refers to as his poor dad and the other as his rich dad. His poor dad was highly educated but struggled financially, while his rich dad was a successful entrepreneur who taught him valuable lessons about money and finance. The book challenges the traditional notions of what it means to be rich and poor and encourages readers to adopt a new mindset and approach to money. It emphasizes the importance of financial education and teaches readers about the difference between assets and liabilities, the power of passive income, and how to invest in real estate. One of the main takeaways from the book is the importance of financial education. By educating ourselves about finance, investing, and business, we can gain the knowledge and skills we need to achieve financial freedom. Another important lesson from the book is the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki encourages readers to focus on acquiring assets, which generate income, such as rental properties, stocks, and businesses, rather than liabilities that instead consume income, which includes cars, credit card debt, and mortgages. The book also highlights the power and importance of passive income. Kiyosaki explains that by creating passive income streams, such as rental income, royalties, or dividends, we can achieve financial freedom and create wealth over time. As a final lesson, Rich Dad Poor Dad emphasizes the importance of taking risks and being willing to fail. Kiyosaki explains that many people are held back by fear and a fear of failure, but taking calculated risks is necessary to achieve success and build wealth. If we compare the lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad to some of the traditional financial advice that we may have been taught, we can better understand what might be missing from our financial plan. Many of us are taught to work hard, save money, and invest in a 401k or another retirement account. While these strategies can be helpful, they are often not enough to achieve true financial freedom. The book challenges these traditional notions and encourages us to think outside the box when it comes to our finances. Rather than relying solely on a job or a traditional retirement account, we can invest in real estate, start a business, or create passive income streams such as owning stocks or affiliate marketing. So, while traditional financial advice is important, Rich Dad Poor Dad offers a new perspective on finance and teaches us valuable lessons. In order to stay fully rounded, here are some potential obstacles that may arise when trying to implement these lessons. First, investing in real estate or starting a business can be risky and may require significant upfront capital. This can be a barrier for some people who may not have the financial resources to take on these investments. Second, creating passive income streams can take time and effort. It may require a significant amount of work upfront to set up the necessary systems and processes to generate passive income, and it may take time to see a return on that investment. Third, adopting a new mindset and approach to money can be challenging for some people. It may require unlearning old habits and beliefs about money and adopting new ones that may feel uncomfortable or unfamiliar. Finally, this change can face resistance from others, such as family members or friends, who may not understand or support our financial goals and strategies. Despite these challenges, it is important to remember that achieving true financial freedom is possible with hard work, dedication, and the right mindset. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people who share your financial goals and values can help guide you on your journey and give you the strength to surmount these obstacles. It is only by taking risks, investing in our education, and thinking outside the box that we can create a brighter financial future for ourselves and our loved ones. So, if you haven't read Rich Dad Poor Dad yet, I highly recommend it, and if you have read it, I encourage you to reread it and to continue learning and growing in your financial education. Remember, building wealth and achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. So, take action today and start creating the financial future you deserve. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching our video on Rich Dad Poor Dad. We hope that you found this video informative and valuable, and that it has inspired you to take action towards building wealth and achieving financial freedom. And if you have any questions or comments about the content we've covered in this video, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience and are always happy to help in any way we can. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.